Well, good Monday afternoon, y'all. It's Dan. Again, I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord have mercy. I hope everybody is having a wonderful start to the work week. But you know what? I'm finna walk over here and show you what I done did. And I guess my question is, do you like lemons? Alright, let me show you. I done got a hold of a Dwarf Meyers lemon tree. And I bought this from a company, an online company called Gurney's. Gurney's. I have had zero luck trying to grow lemons over here at my home in the sticks. But this Dwarf Meyers lemon is specifically designed to be planted in containers. So that's what I done did. I got online and did plenty of research on these on this lemon. It's kind of like a hybrid lemon. It's supposed to be a little bit sweeter than the regular lemons. And this guy right here is probably going to get to be about maybe 5 foot tall, and it's going to bush out, but that's fine. I can prune it. I have tried growing lemons over here for the longest time with zero success. What I've learned in my research is these guys, the Meyers lemon, really likes a pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. So we're going to see what happens. The only thing that I planted it in was a mixture of some black cow and some just potting soil, which is light and fluffy. And this is some showing of good stuff right here. So we're going to see what happens. Pretty excited about it. And yes, this is a rather large pot or planter to put this lemon tree in. But you know what? That root system is going to get big over time. And if I have to, I'll just repot it. I wanted to show you that. And I am a real big fan of figs. I really love figs. I have two pretty huge fig trees over here on the property, and I hope the sun ain't getting y'all. So we're gonna walk over yonder and I'm gonna show you what I done did with the fig trees. And if y'all have some input, why certainly, please put it down in the comments because I love input. So give me a second, we're gonna walk over yonder. All right, y'all, fig trees. These guys, been having them, they've been on the property for a long time and they have produced tons of figs. But the fig trees became overgrown and they just had a canopy of stuff that was growing on them other than figs. And I had somebody come over here and prune these guys back for me. And here's fig tree 1, and there is, I don't know if you can see it, there's fig tree 2 over there. The person that I had come over here and tend to this, he said, hey, look, Dan, to be honest with you, there's probably 90% ish of the fig tree that is dead. And once he got to finish doing what he was doing, I could see, because that's dead. That's dead, and that is certainly dead. I was kind of like, dang, my fig trees are gone. They're probably not going to do anything, but what I have noticed is a whole bunch of new growth on these fig trees. A bunch of stuff coming up, so hopefully there is some life left in these fig trees. I'm just not a fig tree specialist or anything like that. I just basically told him, the person that pruned the fig trees back was like, hey, if it's living, let alone if it's dead, cut it out. And there was just a bunch of dead stuff. It breaks my heart to see these fig trees looking like this, but considering all the new growth that I see coming out, I don't know, I'm kind of optimistic that they may come back. When I bought the place, they were certainly putting out figs, but for some strange reason, wasp and bees love figs. And oh, Dan, don't get around no wasp or bees. I wanted to show y'all that because it's some stuff I done did. And you know I'm gonna share. Gurney's at the time, about 2 weeks ago, had a 50% off sale on their entire online stuff that they were selling. So I actually picked up the Dwarf Meyers lemon tree with shipping. I paid a whopping $7.43 for it. So I was pretty good. I was good with that. And if you have any problems with the tree, with the lemon tree, they will replace it. So I was pretty cool with that. Y'all, if you like the video, hey, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Six channel, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know it's coming, and Dan's always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. Especially when you're trying to plant Dwarf Meyers lemon trees and get your figs going. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.